All right, so today we're going to try and get that into there. Now I'm filming on my phone because the traffic was hectic and I didn't want to have to try and drive the rest of the way home and get the camera and come back over. So the first portion of this will be on that. But yeah, so this video's mission is to just get this on the engine mounts and into the bay. So I'm going to start by getting rid of these brake lines, and then I'm going to start pulling some of this stuff apart.
I should let go.
So old engine mounts are off. I've cleared all this stuff off here. I am going to just sit it in here without the engine mounts to see if I do clear the back. I think I'm going to have to start trimming some of this though. Right, so at the moment it's not too bad actually. I'm going to bash that in for now. I'm not going to cut it yet. And then it's going to sit back more and hit on there as well. But for now, I just want to see how far it goes down once I bash that in. And I also notice I need to take it back a fair bit because that's the engine mount and that's where it needs to go to. But what I noticed is I left an engine mount on the Barra, like a factory one, so I'll take that off too. That'll help. Yeah, these are the engine mounts. They're from Anderson Street and Speed. So that's the bottom half. Someone's skidding the industrial area that I'm in, and then that's the top. So now I'm going to start cutting some more. Alright, so it's been a couple weeks since I did any of this video, but the engine's in there. I don't know what I showed, so I'll show you quickly. The engine is on the engine stands on this side, but on this side I can't quite get it to line up with that hole. So I'm gonna take it back out now, and then I'm gonna cut this piece out down the bottom, which we have a little piece in one of these boxes, which that goes on the subframe to give you a little bit more clearance. You weld that in. But I'm just gonna cut it out now, take the engine out and cut it out now. My storage shed that I'm in currently doesn't have power, so I'm waiting for my old man to lend me his generator, so then I can tack it in there, and then I'll pay a fab shop to do it properly because we don't need that breaking. Alright, so now that I've cut that out, this piece of metal should fit in there. A little bit of a tap in, just to clean that edge up a little bit, I can see there, but it should go pretty close. I'll clean it up and then I'll tap it in and I'll show you. Alright, so I've got this thing in here. I'll show you what it looks like quickly. That's it in there. It's pretty flush there. It does look in the camera like it's not, kind of, but a little bit of a hole there, but otherwise it's pretty flush. Sits pretty good. There's a little bit of a lip on this bottom bit just here, but it'll give the welder somewhere to weld to, so that's fine. And I also wanted to show you quickly what I've cut out on this part. So my whole tunnel's coming out because I'm going to put a Falcon tunnel in to suit the bigger gearbox, but that's all I've cut out for now, because in this video I just want to get this engine on both engine mounts in this engine bay.
I should let go.
So as you can see behind me, we have a Barra in the engine bay of an E46. So this engine mount was easy because I have heaps of room. But this one, because I have the intake manifold on it, I just had to trim that little bit. If you don't have it on there, you won't have to do that. But we're going to have an intake manifold anyway, obviously. So I thought I might as well just trim it now. And yeah, that's in there. Hopefully I've showed you everything that I've done to get to this point. Still on heaps of videos with this car, but to do with the Barra, specifically being in this car, I don't know when the next time I'll make a video is, because I need to wait until I get a turbo manifold and a turbo. I'm going to fit those up, and then we'll start I'm going to try and get the fab work done and get everything in, like intercooler and everything like that. And then I'm going to send this engine off, actually engine that's in the other shed, this engine's staying here. I'm going to send the other engine off to get built, and I need to get a gearbox. Gearbox will come at tax time. I'm just going to use my tax money to buy a gearbox, to be completely honest. So that's going to wait till then, and then that'll probably be the next update if the turbo and stuff isn't the next update. But I'm going to be working on the interior and stuff like that. We'll do other videos. And yeah, any of that to do with the car will be in my E46 playlist. But I'll make another playlist for the BMW Barra swap. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy, and see you in the next one.
I said let go.